Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Nifty Forecast. And now we will discuss MACD trading system, moving average convergence and divergence indicator to be very precise. Okay, so what is in the name? Moving average and convergence and divergence. Isn't it not a self explanatory term? I think it is. All right, so let's quickly look at the components of MACD, moving averages, and their convergences and divergences. I have already applied this indicator MACD here. It is visible, and the default settings of MACD looks like this: fast moving average period 12, slow moving average period 26, and signal period is 9. So what is fast moving average? A moving average of 12 trading sessions is a moving average. Okay, that is the exponential moving average. And the slow moving average period is 26 EMA, that is calculated for 26 periods, and signal period. Okay, so here if we look at these both, one is the signal line, it is indicated here. The signal line is red and MACD is black, right? Okay, no questions here. So the black line is MACD, red line is signal line. MACD is the convergence and divergence of slow moving average and fast moving average. The signal line is very simple: 9 period moving average of MACD line. That's it. Yeah, so there is no complications here. And what else do we get to see in the indicator ribbon? We get to see some histograms, red ones, green ones, and they also change in their sizes. So the size in the histograms is nothing but the difference between MACD line and signal line. All right, see here the histogram increased here, and you can notice that the difference between the MACD and signal line increased. It is as simple as that. And the red histogram here says there is a down tick. Here the green signal says there is a uptick. All right, I hope you have now understood the basics of MACD, what is there in it, how to read it, right? Okay, so generally, I mean, if the signal line is going down and the MACD line is going up, we believe that it is a bullish signal. And on the contrary, if the signal line is going up, then the MACD line, it says downtrend, bearish trend, right? So that's a very simple logic of MACD. But do you think this actually works in the market? Yes? I hope you have this question on your head now. So it is very simple. This MACD, this indicator, specially works in the trending market, right? There is very specific reason why I have opened this particular page of India Bulls Housing Finance in a daily chart. Okay, in this beginner series, we will be talking only about the cash market. We will not even look at the futures and options. We are very clear, we are beginners and we must know our capabilities, right? We should be successful in trading in the cash market day in and day out for a consistent period of time, like 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and then probably you can think about trading in the futures and options. Because when you jump from first class to directly 10th class, what do you think will happen? Can we survive? It will be immense strain, stress in your mind, right? Are you able to connect with me? Give me a like button if you connect with me here, right? Okay, so that would be the difference when you jump directly from the cash market to the futures and options market. All right, so be careful, please restrain yourself to the cash market until you succeed consistently for 3 to 6 months of time in the cash market. Okay, so Yeah, we were talking about the trending markets and why we have opened India Bull Housing Finance. We are able to see a very phenomenal downtrend, right? And in this particular downtrend, let us say, this is evidently a downtrend. What do you think we need to trade? We need to trade only the signals that we get on the downside. It is very simple, my friends. If you go check it anywhere, when you trade in the downside, when the stock is in already downtrend, we get to capture some decent move, right? Here you have taken an entry here 763, and what happened here, you were able to be in the trade for up to 637, right? Like that. And if it is an uptrend, you should be looking for signals in the bullish side only. Okay, yeah, so that's the basic criteria of MACD. If you look at MACD in a trending market, it will work. And if you do not look at MACD, as in if you look at the MACD in a sideways market, you will be wrong. I am telling you blatantly, you will absolutely go wrong. All right. Okay, so in case you want to use the MACD on both the direction, you have to be very clear, and you should always add volumes inferences or the trend lines that we discussed. Okay, draw a trend line here. If it is uh, breaking the trend line, maybe there could be a reversal, and again you have to look for a candlestick pattern for confirming the reversal, or you should also be looking at the support and resistance zones that we already discussed in the channel. In case you have missed any of these uh, inputs from my channel, you can go back to my channel, search for volume and its characteristics, or trend lines, or support and resistance lines. All right. All right, folks. So that is a quick glimpse of how you can capitalize using MACD indicator. I hope you liked it, and I am very clear in this. Please give me a like button in case you like the content. Please subscribe to the channel and share it among your traders fraternity. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Have a great time. Bye bye.